Hey.
Hiya, and welcome back to our channel. Hello there. Hi there, welcome back to our channel. We're Steve and Billy. We are the Non-Lost Souls. A while ago, somebody asked us about our pizzas we cook. So today, we're going to cook our pizza and show you how we do it. Also,
all vegan.
It's all vegan, and there's a few cheats in it, really.
Yeah,
it's not 100% our pizza. We kind of just put topping on it. Anyway, so we're going to cook that, show you how we do it, and then whilst it's cooking, we'll have a little chat about what's been happening in Non-Lost Souls camp.
Yeah. So if you like what you see, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell.
Ding.
It really does help us. Helps the channel out, and just want to say thank you to all our new subscribers. Welcome. Hope you stick around. And yes, we checked all the ingredients, and this is actually accidental vegan. So we use tomato puree, onions, mushrooms, tomato, and cheese.
Or tomato. Depends if you want to do American bit or not.
But if you want to use your meat and you want to use other ingredients, that's entirely up to you. But don't forget, you've got garlic on this pizza bread.
So whilst it's cooking, again, not very good at filming builds and stuff like that of what we do, because I always keep forgetting. So whilst he's cooking, we thought we'd give you a bit of an update of what's been happening. So got new lights, and above it we've got a new. Oh, sorry. We've got a new shelf and door. I wouldn't open it because it's full of crap.
Not medicine.
Oh. I was pointing on curtain. Oh, nice. And then the same to match on this side. I mean, of course, we're saying about the new shelves. A lot of people would have last seen when we done the run tour, we didn't have any doors on any of these units. So now we have.
And our windowsills.
Oh, and windowsills. See, rubbish at filming any kind of build. So there's a thing. Got new lights along here. So it's a blackboard here, so we can write. But there's a knob on it or something. And the same again this side. Windowsill.
Hey.
Hey. What else have we done? Oh.
Where the fire's gonna go.
Oh yeah. I'll turn that around. So over here also.
At the moment it's a seating area.
At the moment it's a bit of a seating area. We've got this area which hopefully it will be where the log burner goes.
You want to show outside and I'll put a torch on or something?
Yeah. Got a bit of wing edge on the top. On there. Hopefully you can see it because it's dark. But we've got, this is the back of the unit. And that's the side of the unit, and there we got sort of like some sort of shelves so we can put some things in like bags or hats, scarves.
Like a little.
And we also got a funky new doormat.
Got a bit of water on it. I kicked over water in the night. I was having a pee-pee. Dog's bowl.
Because last night we went off for the first time in 6 weeks, pretty much since the clutch went, and we met up with some lovely people. What are we supposed to say there? I don't know.
Yeah, we hung out with Mel from
Big Van, Small Van, Little
Small
World,
Van,
Big World,
Big
whatever
World.
it is.
And his partner Becky,
Sacred Traveller.
So if you don't already follow them, really check them out, both of them out. Mel's videos are really informative. So
Yeah,
you
it
will
helped us a lot
learn-
with our
God,
build,
yeah.
some of the tips he's given along the way.
But it was a
Can't
really,
find.
really good night, and yeah, thanks guys, it was so cool. We had such a good night. And then we went over and we found a nice little parket, and we stayed the night there, which was nice. It was good to be back out in Luna, wasn't it?
Yeah, thanks for the tip on that one, Mel, and brilliant one.
Becky, yeah, it was cool.
Yeah, so that was a lovely night. What else has happened in Camp Non-Lost Souls?
Well, we're just preparing now because we go full time soon. So it's a case of ticking off what's on the list, but adding more on the list. So there's not much more to do.
And spending
we
money
got a
we
bug.
shouldn't buy.
This is
Bought
Bug,
ourselves a
by
little
the
bug.
way.
Introducing Bug.
We did buy one almost a year ago, so I think it was about November time, and
Flew away.
it's slowly slipping down. Can you see it slipping down?
On camera.
Yeah.
In case you're wondering what she's talking about slipping
It's
down.
kind-
I'm
yeah.
not slipping down. We
The
just
camera's slowly slipping down on the
tripod.
But yeah, we bought a drone about November, December time last year, and we went to Cllum. And it was at the amphitheatre, and there was some clear land, and we thought, oh, we'll get some good footage, won't we?
It was all frost capped.
Oh, it was beautiful.
Absolutely. Like, if you're going to fly a drone, that's where you fly a drone.
Yeah.
No signs to say not to, but it looked amazing.
But Bug One decided he didn't like us, and he
Flew
did
away.
one. He did one. And we searched and we searched and we searched, and we couldn't find it. And unfortunately, on its first flight out, we lost our first bug, which was a little bit sad because we had to leave him there. And then we've invested in a bug number 2, and so we call him Bug because they look like bugs.
Yeah, you do.
So we've had a little play with that today. We haven't literally taken it out and flown it yet, but we will be doing that. So hopefully we can add a little bit more into our footage for you guys to make it more entertaining and just really nice. Because we go to some beautiful places, it'd be lush to see some footage, drone footage, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
And we've invested in a really nice camera as well. So, because obviously
Ta-da.
where we plan on going, we'd like to get some really cool night
Yeah.
skies and stuff
It's quite a nice
for
camera.
us and for you.
120 times zoom, so get some extreme close-ups of stuff.
Yeah, so it's basically we're just preparing to get ready to go full time. So
Yeah.
it's yeah, that's it really.
Just check for tea a minute and I'll be back. Come on.
Oh.
Sorry, squeeze past.
Yeah, so we're hoping to go out on a few more local haunts and explore a bit of our local area a little bit more, because we've both got work commitments leading up to when we leave. We both handed in our notices, so it's a
Countdown
case
is
of
on.
counting those days down, as you may have seen on social media. We've been counting those days down,
Each
but
day
we'll
is
keep you
getting
updated,
harder.
and as we get nearer and nearer the time, we'll let you know where we're heading. But it's all hush hush at the moment. So I think that's kind of it, isn't it?
Yeah, that's
But
it.
Tea's almost ready, isn't it?
And we'll show you what the tea looks like. It smells lush, looks lush.
Yeah. So that's
So
our
shortly we'll dish it up.
homemade chips and vegan
Pizza, garlic, onion, mushroom, tomato.
It's really good,
cheese,
and it's cheap.
Yeah, on a budget. Because we don't really do eating out, and we don't really do anything like that, socialising too much. But yeah, so
But when we do, we have a really good time, don't we?
very good time.
And the people that are with us have a really good time.
Well, we
So-
think you do. You have to
Yeah,
leave
they
a
do.
message,
Oh, they
Mel,
so do.
Mel or Becky. You have to let us know if you do.
So yeah, so whatever you're doing, if you like what you've seen so far, you want to see more, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell. Any suggestions for future videos, leave us a comment. We like comments, don't we? We will always try and reply to each and every comment.
We're also thinking about possibly doing another Q&A at some point. So if you have any questions, like Billy just said, check it in the comment box and we'll try and store them for when we do.
Yeah. So until next time, safe travels, be kind to each other and just live your life and live a good
Cool.
one.
So this meal for the two of us costs about £2.25, which is good considering we're both vegan and you can't buy shit for that price. Well, until next time, bon appetit. What do they say?
So If you like what you saw, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell. So until next time, safe travels. Hey.
Hiya, and welcome back to our channel.
We're here. Playing.
Recording.